Alright, so our next activity for the day, waterfall. Yep, going waterfall and cave. Let's go. Going down this way. Chocolate Cave, I believe. And we going. Oh no, the Batcave's halfway open. We gotta open it with this. I have no bolat, no strength. I never eat dinner. No, it's only halfway open. The Batcave. I can't get in. It's in this nice looking place. Oh man, I won't get to meet Batman today. Sad life. Quack quack. In the Batcave. From the opening over there. Do we see any bats? No, we don't. No bats. No bats today. Yeah. So we're doing pretty well until the rustling of the wind, rustling of the leaves, and it's pretty cooling. So much more cooling than just now. So we're just following the stream of water to the waterfall. Hopefully we can make it, because we met the other family and they seem to can't find the waterfall. Sadly, hopefully we can find it for them. Let's go. Alright, so we have reached Khlong Chak Waterfall, where not many people have reached here, and it's pretty okay view, I guess. Yeah, looks pretty stagnant though. Hopefully no moss is here. Alright, so we're at Khao Yai. No, look at the view. Oh my god. Dinner with a view. We are eating some good food. Looking good. Precious, beautiful. Wow, the lightings. Very wonderful place. Right, so this is our dinner. Rice. Spoon and fork. Cashew chicken, beef with spicy curry soup, omelette, and majindo. Looking good. Chocolate mousse. Let me show you the difference between light and darkness. Can't even, oh, I can still see my hand. Okay, partially see my hand. So dark. Don't drive out here alone, even though there's shiny thing on the metal railing. Yeah, I can't even see the tuk-tuk, right? I also cannot. Right guys, good morning. Arun Sawat Kap. Alright, so we are here at one of the piers to go to 4 Island. Not Kai Island, 4 Island. Yeah, we are just waiting for our turn to go onto the boat, and then we explore. And we're taking this boat, long tail boat. Let's go! Cup. Arun Sawat Cup. Guys, so now we're on Kokai Island to kind of have a stop for lunch, and I've just been walking along the beach for a while now. The place is pretty nice, some nice place to live in. There's one dude that I came across, he said the restaurant there is better, a bit more expensive but better. So I'm just gonna enjoy myself here, enjoy the view, enjoy the sand, and enjoy the sea. Adios. Oh yeah, one more thing to take note at Konoi Island just now. We went snorkeling, however there were a lot of jellyfishes. Thankfully they weren't box jellyfish, but I think one of us got stung by one and another got cut at the leg, so hopefully they get well soon. And they say it's 10% of poison. Hopefully one of us don't go down. I mean, I believe in protection. Yep. Right, so we are Khao Yai Ring Island. Look at the small thing there. Look at them. Jellyfishy! And jellyfishes! And fish. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that's all. Jelly!
Jellyfish.
Eee, hello! Like mouse pet, bro. Look at his face.
No hurt, for sure. I know.
Whee!
I working long time, my experience, I know.
Nice.
This jellyfish boy.
So we all just jumped off the boat. We're going into the water. We're going to the cave, Emerald Cave. Let's go. We're inside and we're floating with our life jackets. And we're going in. Wow. Going in. From here. And wow. I have found the underworld. And the boy underwater posing. Wow, Emerald Cave. And then we look up. Wow. Very quiet. Tranquil. Guys, this is Emerald Cave. Look at the green, it's like kryptonite. Superman's weakness. And the color is so beautiful. Wow. So we're on the boat. On a boat that carries vehicles. Very nice painting over here.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So we are going to Krabi via a minibus. And we'll see you there. Bye bye. Hey, seems like you have made it to the very end. You are the real MVP and I appreciate you. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And let's try to get this channel to 100 subs. And if you can, please do share with your friends and your family.
Comment down below if you would go on the 4 islands tour, and if so, which one I would go for the Emerald Cave, because it's so beautiful, it's so green, so majestic. And stay tuned for the next episode where we will be traveling in Krabi.